Lesnik-Master is a version of the all-terrain vehicle with a residential kung. 3 people can sleep comfortably. The cabin of this all-terrain vehicle is also designed for 3 people. The kung has lighting and an independent heating system. The Lesnik-Master 4x4 snow and swamp vehicle is an articulated all-terrain vehicle consisting of 2 half chassis, with ultra-low pressure tires, permanent 4-wheel drive, the ability to switch off and low gears in the transmission. The small dimensions and own weight of this all-terrain vehicle make it easy to use in the forest. The low center of gravity and high gear ratio in the transmission allow it to be used in mountainous terrain.